Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
Well, I gotta tell them today first because you know what? Because you didn't make it. But family, let me tell you a rundown real quick, fast. Today we got curry coconut salmon with some cabbage. Family, it's good to have a lot of stuff in your freezer because listen, we ain't know what to make. I said, you know what? First, listen, you feel like for some salmon? She said, yeah. But I'm gonna fry it and put onion. But I said, you know, I'm just gonna curry it down with some coconut. Listen, not any coconut milk, natural coconut milk.
Yo!
We had some coconut, we dry them out, we ox them out, and we grater it. But grater mean like back home, we use a grater, but we didn't use that. We just put it in the blender, blend it up, and then made our coconut
Can I
milk.
have a kiss?
It's
delicious.
You taste it?
It's freaking good.
I ain't not taste it yet, but I know
taste
it's good.
It. No, me taste
but
it
look,
already.
family. Yes, so what do you think? Come on now, we think I did good for a little fast meal? Comment down, but wait. If you're new, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the family.
Oh.
But and plantains. But yeah, but look family, if you think I did a little fast, little quick meal, let me know. I always say, cheap and clean. Okay? Look at the salmon. Let me know if I did good.
It is good.
It's good, right? Put something real quick.
It is very good. Oh, curry is my favorite.
Cabbage is nice, you know? And this cabbage.
There you go.
Like a meat right there. Okay. No, I'm not gonna put it up there where I could make my stuff drop. Yeah, I think I could trick me. Hell no.
You guys like the presentation? Ooh.
Need some of that gravy.
The cabbage is really good. It's still nice and crunchy.
Yep. I like soft top cabbage.
Somebody commented and told us if we gotta curry everything. You're damn right.
We love our curry.
We love curry.
But yes, I said curry, coconut, salmon.
And then, like Richie said, we made fresh coconut milk.
Fresh.
Not store-bought.
Not store-bought. Fresh.
From the coconuts off of our tree. And we put some of it in the rice. Some of the coconut milk in the rice.
Butter and flaky. Wow. How's everything with y'all though? Other than that, you know? You consuming this delicious meal. Come like, you know, give me no gravy, no?
I give it a lot of gravy. Want some over here?
Eat your gravy, man.
What's that? Make beer
Yo,
nice.
that cabbage nice, you know, man?
Nice and crunchy.
You know what's in this cup already. I'm not gonna say it.
Family, let me tell you something. Mr. Richie, no matter where Richie go, you got to know that there's two things he's gonna keep. First one is napkins. No matter where he goes, he's gonna get napkins.
Yeah, I keep them for you because you love blow your nose.
That's right. But he loves napkins.
Oh, you have to have napkins.
And no matter what store he goes to, like restaurant, whatever, if they have a cup, he's taking it. And he's gonna use it for about a week or so until I get tired of seeing it and I throw it out.
That's me. Family, I'm a hoarder.
The amount of box and bags that Richie have in his closet that he hiding and holding on to. I don't bother it because it's in his closet. But let me tell you something.
That's true for me. I got a lot of bags, but I buy stuff to go to the store. sneaker boxes. I just have them in my closet.
Honey, this is really good.
Good, right?
I'm gonna be honest with you.
Hold on. Go ahead, talk before you forget. Go on.
Go ahead, baby love.
God, make sure you know you're gonna say no.
Yes, my love.
Cause you have old timers. Listen, what I was gonna say, for something that's just real quick, just came up like that for the opposite. That's what you was gonna say. I know.
It was in that same thing.
It came out really good. Family, you may not believe me. I just whipped it together as we talking right now. Just whipped it together. Yup. And I said, you know what? We're gonna do that. That's it. So what are you gonna say now? Same thing?
I was going to say that one thing about Richie, he can just think of something and cook it and it'll be so good. But you see me, I'm not that adventurous. Like when I cook, my cooking is delicious, but
always
I stick to how it is. So if I make curry goat, that's how I make it. If I make stew peas, I make it the same way. Richie is more, let me make some curry salmon. Let me add some coconut milk. Let me do this. Let me do that. Me, I'm gonna make it the same way all the time, which is fine. But let's say we didn't have any curry. He can improvise. I'm not really a good improviser. That's the word.
You're
Really good.
You're an excellent cook, though.
Thank you, baby. And then the fact that it came out so good.
This is good. Yeah,
I would have never thought of this. And then he put cabbage in it.
Don't forget. Listen. We're gonna be someplace pretty soon.
Yo, you scared me now.
And we might do a live and say where we at. You know what I'm saying? But
where we at? Where we at?
Pretty soon. Today's Wednesday, so keep watching. Okay. I'm fried here.
Bad. We're not gonna lie.
Family, look at this. Look at this. It seemed like I had the soap, right? It wasn't. That does my thing.
Put the salmon on this side.
Salmon busting too.
And get the rice, cause the gravy
it's hitting.
Is a hitting.
Family, y'all gonna let me close my P.O box, you know? Cause you're not sending us nothing. For real talk.
We haven't been over there. They might have closed that shit.
We haven't been over there in a long time, but real talk, family. Don't forget, we P.O box is down below. If you feel like you want to send something, you know.
But I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we just noticed it because they just approved us, which you know. Under every video, there's a heart and it has a $sign.
Oh, really?
So if you want to donate to the channel, we're not begging. We're just saying, you know, if you want to donate to the channel, contribute to the channel.
It's not about begging. If you don't ask, you won't receive.
No, but I'm just saying.
I know,
like,
I hear what you're saying.
And they say, oh, I want you to go eat some king crab.
Word, yeah.
And they say, here. Like that.
Yeah.
You know?
I like what you're saying. I understand. Damn. You want help?
But no, don't come over here.
A long time I take some of your food, man. Make the people them mad.
Honey, for real, it's a long time you haven't done that now.
Long time I take first day the food. Yeah, you see that I make first day to eat now.
That is true.
Maybe some of the people who don't like that.
Honey, how much plantains you gonna eat?
3 me take.
Honey, you ate about 8 plantains just now.
Yo, yeah, plantain watch your man.
Yeah, because you move fast.
Don't watch plantain too much, man. Family, all she's watching the plantain I'm eating.
Not the plantain, man.
I really can't risk that plantain, okay? I love plantain. Yo, you know what I'm plantain.
I
ain't gonna lie. I
know you did.
I ate a lot. I'm moving through them.
I have to laugh because every time I turn my head, two is gone.
Yeah, watch your platinum, my youth.
The fuck? Damn.
Yep. This cup right here, if you live in Florida, this is from our favorite spot where we go to.
Where we go to? It's in West Palm Beach.
It's in West Palm Beach.
It's called Hooks Fish and Chicken, right? But this one is black owned. So we always go there. The food is always
no matter
hot.
where we at. Always good on point. So if you're in West Palm, there's 2 locations they got, but we go to one. And where is that one at?
Okeechobee.
Go check it out.
Bussin'.
Yep. So I brought that cup from there.
Black owned, so we love it.
Black owned, so you know we gotta support our people. You know how it is already. Family, we could be home and I say, yo, listen. Let's go for some catfish and some tilapia, some French fries, some fried wings, whatever. We driving down there. It's about like 30 minutes.
Oh shit.
There we go.
Oh my god. Yo, I just ate a pepper.
Nah. You're not.
Hell yes.
Eat one more piece, guy. Not hot, man. Give me.
But it tastes good.
I'm saying. Not hot.
Honey. Oh my god. No, it's not
It's
hot.
hot?
Good.
But yeah, family. Sometimes you just gotta make what's in your house, you know?
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm telling you, we know for a fact
That y'all have this in your house.
but that if stores were closed, as long as we have canned food,
It's a wrap.
we good. We eating gourmet over here.
Make it happen. I love it.
You full?
Full. You talking about full? Look how rich that curry is, family. I don't know if you can see it. So all over. Full. Come on now. You just disrespect me, but I'm full, Mario. You eat the blind them, Tom.
What?
No, eat it. I ate a lot, Tom. I ain't gonna lie.
I know you did. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I'm still sharing with you.
I ate a lot.
Every time I turn my head, I see plantain gone. I said, what the fuck? I couldn't even keep up.
I know you was watching it.
Yes.
That's why I was taking him. They love plantain too much, Mario.
I was gonna make one. And then
Make two?
I made 1.5 because I said Richie greedy. That's exactly what I said in my mind. I'm not even gonna lie.
No cap. We are outside.
So we was
Salmon busting.
we was sitting there, like Richie said, and we was like, what we gonna make? And I said, well, I have some salmon.
Family, hold on. For a
Hey,
minute.
baby. Oh,
Literally. You alright? Y'all watching this right now? We just made this food. We're not capping. Just made this food and just posted. So you gotta believe us just now. Real talk. So go ahead now. What you saying now?
I said, well, I have some salmon. He said, okay. I said, let's eat some salmon, fried fish with onions and rice. And Richie said, okay. Fried it and everything. And he looked at me and he said, you know what? I think I want to curry it. And I said, do you? Just like that. It went from fried fish to curry fish. See that?
Yep.
And don't get me wrong, even when it was fried, it was so good. It was so good.
Curry.
But the curry,
With some gravy.
busting.
This is good. I'm gonna lie. Wait, what?
Put your on.
But pan it now, man. You alright?
I hope you guys having a good Wednesday.
For real.
If you got Carvel in your area, it's Wednesday, so it's buy one, get one.
Yes, buy one, get one if you have that in your area. We go every Wednesday. You gotta get that buy one, get one. We go to there so much, they know us. What happened last time when you went without me? And the people I'm saying here,
They didn't give me enough ice cream?
they didn't get ice cream. They said, oh, yeah, what they say, you're not buying your buy one, get one today? They know us, family.
Oh, we was going fishing. That time?
No, the time yeah, we're going fishing, yeah. And I told you that we ain't gonna buy no ice cream because we're going fishing. Yeah.
I said, okay, I'll just get a cone. And I went in there, and I bought the cone. They was looking at me like, and then they said, you're not gonna get your buy one, get one? I said, no, not today. Ooh, excuse me, guys.
Would burp that. Yo, curry, body of time. My God, by my side. Wow, I love mukbang.
Oh wait,
Wow.
what made you put the cabbage in there?
It was there, so somebody said, well, let's use it.
Right?
Hey, I know I'm not a cabbage person like that, family. I said, you know what? Might as well just use it since it's there.
Excellent choice.
It tastes good with it, right?
No, something about my food, man.
No man, you should be ashamed of yourself, first lady, and your mouth for your food. Probably she should be ashamed of herself eating her food like that. Cause it's damn good. Who made that? I want to see the person you see when people go to the store and say, who made that? Screaming at the people and people like, what the hell the food is? The man said the food is delicious.
Who's that?
No, people go around like doing pranks. Like when they go in the store and they screaming like,
yeah,
who made this food? Different people, a lot of people do it on YouTube. Who made this food? Screaming on TikTok too.
Don't do that shit in Jamaican restaurant.
For
They'll
real.
fight.
They fight. Yo,
they will fight you.
They'll fight you.
Before you can even get out, this is delicious, they're gonna punch you in the face.
Yeah. This was good on. And you really ate off, so. Damn, that's. Give First Lady a clap. Yes, she did good today. That's good. It was good. I know you have to say, we keep saying it was good, fun, but y'all know if y'all know, if y'all can just could taste it. Oh my God.
See? I was really hungry today. I wasn't fake hungry.
She wasn't fake hungry today.
You could do your wow.
Oh, could do you? Why you eating?
Yeah.
Okay,
Mama's done mine.
Alright. What is that text? Basketball up here today? So I'll go and call. You want to text me in the mind? Oh, solar people them. They text me.
Okay.
Where's my thing I just save? So that's what I like, you know. Oh, here. Alright. Family.
Oh my God.
First Lady. Listen. That. Wow!
That was really good, honey. I'm not gonna lie. That
you
was
should be
really
ashamed
good.
of yourself for eating up the food.
I am.
Damn.
I am.
She should be ashamed of herself. Right, family, for eating up her food like that.
That was freaking delicious. For you to just make it off the top of your dome.
Yeah, we try to tell them, and again, while you're watching this, I just made that, or just quick like that. It wasn't planned. All right, family. Anyways, let's get to the good point. First, listen.
So good, thank you.
Family, viewers, and subscribers, I want y'all to listen up. Is it ready? Family, in your life, you realize there is a purpose for everyone you meet. Some will test you, some will use you, and some will teach you. But most importantly, some will bring out the best in you. So I know, family, friends, viewers, I know y'all got, you know what I'm saying? Friends like that or whatever. You could say, okay, yeah, that's their true friends and they real and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? But appreciate y'all. This was line I'm not going to read again. Thank you for rocking with us. First Lady should be ashamed of herself for eating food like that. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I am.
Oh my goodness. But if you're new, I am Richie and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are.
And you guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Yo. No, you should be ashamed of yourself for you. Man.
Fuck up.
They're too fucking greedy.
Honey, that was really good, yo.
That shit was good, son. No cap, B.
How you just did it like that? Yo.
That shit was busting, B. I ain't gonna cap, son.